Today we are going to take a quick look at what it will look like for your students if you were to partner with Doorway to College Foundation to enable unlimited subscription access. This first page that you'll see here says protected page, enter password. This is prompting your students to enter the provided password, which will be customized to your school or organization. Once we click into authenticate, you'll see that this is the landing page where all of the curriculum is held. This is a customized field that will say inside the PSAT, SAT, or inside the ACT, or inside StudySmart, depending on which curriculum you partner with Doorway to College to provide. We are able to customize this page to your needs, but it does currently include all of the instructions that your students will need to study independently. You'll note that it does discuss the workbooks. That's something that we can either ship directly to students or directly to your school, just depending on what your needs are. We know that students and schools are in different places right now. As you'll scroll through, you'll see that all of the videos are in sequential order, but students can either fast forward or rewind, pause, stop as needed. At the bottom, you'll see that we have provided customer service information. Students are always welcome to contact us directly. A great service for busy counselors, program administrators, and for program supervisors. We are always happy to help. This is just a really quick glimpse at what this page would look like. Feel free to let us know if you have any questions about the efficacy of these programs, about the workbooks. We're happy to answer further questions beyond this quick demonstration. Also happy to provide a demonstration for the ACT page or study skills page. Thanks for watching. We'll talk with you soon.